How to remove songs from Instagram post after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be telling something about the topic that says how to remove song from Instagram post after posting. So here we will find out whether we can remove a song from the Instagram post or not. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just find the post that has song that you want to remove. So here, once you have found it, simply tap on it to open it. But here to tell you upfront, unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to remove or change music from a post once it's already published because the song has now become the part of the post permanently. But don't worry, here is what you can do instead. So here you can try or you can delete the post from your profile, and after that you can simply re-upload it. Do you know what I mean? Like, say, instant you have deleted the previous post and you simply have to re-upload it again without any music or any song. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on share, and if it's story or reel, then you need to remove and repost it as well because Instagram doesn't have an edit option for music after publishing. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.